Hey, who's the LS engine kings here? We are, Proformance Unlimited. Another one of our LS motors. This happens to be our little 427 engine, made about 640 horsepower, made 590 foot-pounds of torque, going into a Camaro. And if you watch the board, it made that horsepower at 62, and we set it to 62. It means it's still going to be climbing. But it's a 625 build and already over its rating. Again, this was a blackout motor, black block, blackout kit, black valve covers, what have you. Beautiful, beautiful LS engine. Any of you is interested in one of our engines, give us a call. 1-800-267-3940. Hey, peace and have a great year.